In the vastness of space, there exists a time before the galaxies, stars, and planets that we know today. It was a time of darkness and chaos, but from this cosmic void, the first stars and galaxies would eventually emerge. How did this all begin? The story begins around 13.8 billion years ago, with the Big Bang, the event that created everything we see today. In the first few 100,000 years, the universe was a hot, dense soup of particles. But as it expanded and cooled, it gave birth to the simplest elements, hydrogen and helium. After the first few 100 million years, gravity began to pull these elements together, eventually creating the first stars. These stars were much larger and hotter than the ones we see today. But how did these giant stars form in such an early universe? Scientists believe that these first stars were born in what we call the cosmic dawn. They formed in regions where hydrogen gas, which was the main ingredient, began to clump together under the force of gravity. These first stars were incredibly massive and short-lived. They burned through their fuel at an extraordinary rate, leading to supernova explosions that scattered heavier elements into space. The explosion of these stars created elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron, which are crucial for life as we know it. The debris from these supernovae began to mix with the surrounding gas, enriching the cosmos with the building blocks of planets, stars, and even life itself. Some of these supernovae may have even created black holes, which would go on to play a key role in the formation of galaxies. As the first stars died, they gave birth to a new era, the formation of galaxies. These early galaxies were different from the ones we see today. They were much smaller, more chaotic, and much more active in terms of star formation. The formation of galaxies was a gradual process. Gravity continued to pull matter together, causing smaller gas clouds to merge and form larger structures. Over time, these galaxies began to grow and evolve. Recent observations from telescopes like Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope have revealed some of the earliest galaxies, giving us a glimpse into the universe's childhood. Interestingly, these early galaxies came in a variety of shapes and sizes. Some were large, some small, and some were very irregular. Their structure was much different from the spirals and ellipticals we see today. Scientists have found that these early galaxies were more active, forming stars at a much faster rate than galaxies do now. This period of intense star formation is known as the Cosmic Renaissance. As the universe continued to expand, galaxies began to interact with each other, merging and forming the complex structures we see today. The birth of stars and galaxies set the stage for everything we know in the universe today. From these first cosmic giants, everything from planets to life on Earth would eventually emerge. As we continue to observe the universe, we are reminded that the cosmos is still evolving, and perhaps its greatest mysteries are yet to be uncovered.